As humanoid robots and customized functional components continue to evolve, selective laser sintering, or SS, enables greater design freedom, complex geometries, and cost-effective low-volume customization. SIL-MORE Group provides nylon 12 powder solutions with excellent impact resistance, stress resistance, mechanical performance, and dimensional stability. PA12 is well-suited for humanoid robot exoskeleton components, structural parts, mechanical components, housings, and mounting brackets. With the support-free advantages of SLS, PA12 can be used to produce complex hollow structures, lightweight brackets, and topology-optimized components. For high-strength requirements and demanding operating environments, PA12 delivers stable and reliable material performance. Fiber-reinforced grades are also available to further improve rigidity, dimensional stability, and heat resistance. TPU powder offers rubber-like elasticity and flexibility, making it ideal for functional components that require cushioning, conformability, and shock absorption. It also provides good abrasion resistance, scratch resistance, impact resistance, and vibration damping performance, together with resistance to certain oils, lubricants, and common chemicals. Through the SLS process, TPU can be used for protective equipment, footwear components, flexible fixtures, wearable parts, and flexible robotic components, providing an effective balance of comfort, support, and design freedom. From high-strength structural components made with PA12 to flexible functional parts produced with TPU, SIL-MORE Group helps customers select the right materials for their applications and develop lighter, more complex, and more competitive 3D printing solutions.